Hi everyone, welcome to Fill the Skill. If you have ever felt confused about bankruptcy attorney or wondered how to protect yourself legally, you are in the right place. Today we are talking about bankruptcy attorney or wonderer how to protect yourself legally. I will break it down step by step so it's easy to understand and help you avoid common mistakes. Stay with me till the end of some valuable tip that could save your time, money, and stress. Let's get started. Facing financial trouble. A bankruptcy attorney can help you regain financial freedom. When you are overwhelmed with debt and creditors are constantly calling, it's easy to feel hopeless. But there is a solution. A bankruptcy attorney is an experienced legal professional who can help you navigate the complex world of bankruptcy and guide you toward financial recovery. The role of a bankruptcy attorney. A bankruptcy attorney specializes in helping individuals and businesses manage their debt through the legal system. They act as your advocate, helping you file the right type of bankruptcy and ensuring you follow all necessary steps for a successful case. Their role include advising on financial options, helping you determine whether bankruptcy is the best solution or if alternatives like debt negotiation or consolidation are better. Handling paperwork, filling detail from form and schedule required by the bankruptcy court. Protecting your right, ensuring creditor follow the law and do not harsh or take illegal action against you. Court representation, advocating for you in court hearing and creditor meeting. What is bankruptcy? Bankruptcy is a legal process designed to help individuals and businesses resolve overwhelming debt. It either eliminate debt or provide a structured repayment plan under court supervision. Key element of bankruptcy. Type of bankruptcy. Chapter 7 bankruptcy, known as liquidation bankruptcy. This option allows individuals to discharge most unsecured debt. Example credit card debt, medical bill. Non-example asset may be sold to pay creditors. Example Saras has $80,000 in credit card debit but no valuable asset. By filing for Chapter 7, she can eliminate her debit and start fresh. Chapter 13 Bankruptcy, referred to as reorganization bankruptcy. This is ideal for individuals with a steady income. It allows you to repay a portion of your debt over 3 to 5 years while keeping your asset. Example, John owns $50,000 and is behind on his mortgage. By filing Chapter 13, he can catch up on his payment and save his home. Chapter 11 Bankruptcy, primarily for businesses. Chapter 11 help companies reorganize their debt while continuing operation. Second is automatic protection. Filing for bankruptcy triggers an automatic stay, which stops creditors from calling or harassing you, garnishing your wage, foreclosing on your home, or reprocessing your car. Third is fresh start. Bankruptcy gives individuals and businesses a clean financial slate, allowing them to rebuild their credit and future. How a bankruptcy attorney can help. First is initial consultation. The, the first step is meeting with a bankruptcy attorney to review our financial situation. During this consultation, the attorney will Evaluate your debit card income and asset. Explain the types of bankruptcy you qualify for. Offer guidance on whether bankruptcy is your best option. Second is building your case. If you decide to move forward, your attorney will gather documents, collect financial record, including income statement, tax return, and a list of debt. File the bankruptcy petition. Submit the necessary paperwork to the court, including detailed schedule of asset, liabilities, and expenses. Communicate with creditors. Once you file, your attorney will handle all communication with creditor, so you can longer have to deal with their calls or letters. Third is representation during the process. Your attorney will guide you through key milestones such as the meeting of creditor. This is where creditor can ask questions about your case. Your attorney will represent you and ensure the process is smooth. Court hearing. If dispute arise, your attorney will argue on your behalf. Quality of a great bankruptcy attorney. Expertise and experience. Bankruptcy law are complex, and a skilled attorney will know the intricacies of federal and state law. Choose someone with a proven track record of successful cases. Second is communication skill. A good attorney explains legal concept in plain language, so you fully understand the process. They should also be accessible and responsive to your question. Third is empathy and determination. Bankruptcy is stressful, and a compassionate attorney can ease your burden. Look for someone who is understanding and genuinely invest in helping you succeed. What to expect in a bankruptcy case? First is timeline. Chapter 7 bankruptcy take about 3 to 6 months from start to finish. Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the repayment plan lasts 3 to 5 years. Second is cost. Cost vary depending on your location and the complexity of your case. Typically, expenses include court filing fee, attorney fee, or third is possible outcome. Discharge of debit. Most unsecured debit are wiped out. Debit repayment plan. A manageable plan is credited for secured debit. Asset protection. Examination may allow you to keep essential assets like your home, car, and retirement saving. Encouragement and call to action. It is normal to feel ownership, but bankruptcy is not the end of the road. It is a fresh start. By consulting a skilled bankruptcy attorney, you can take control of your finance and regain peace of mind. Take the first step today. Schedule a consultation with a qualified bankruptcy attorney and begin your journey toward financial freedom. Additional tip for a successful bankruptcy case: be honest, disclose all your financial information to your attorney, stay organized, keep all financial documents handy, avoid new debit, don't forget new debit before filing, be patient. Bankruptcy is a process, but the outcome is worth an effort. Remember, financial recovery is possible, and you don't have to face it alone. A bankruptcy attorney can provide the expertise and support you need to move forward for confidence. That's all for today's. I hope this video helped you understand bankruptcy attorney or wonder how to protect yourself legally a little better. Remember, having the right legal knowledge is so important as protecting yourself and your future. If you have any question or need more information, leave a comment below. I did love to hear your thought and help where I can. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to Fill the Skill for more simple and practical legal advice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.